Hey guys, it's Burke, and we've lived in this house for a couple of years, and I'm finally getting a chance to get my workshop organized and set up. I'm just sick and tired of not having easy access to my tools and my saws and that kind of thing. So I don't have a very big space to work in, and I don't have a big, cabinet table saw and all those kind of things. So the tools I do need, I want to have easy access to. So right now my miter saw is just on a fixed base that it came with. So I had an idea of taking this rolling tool cart and building a miter saw station on top of it. So what I'm going to do is take everything off from here up, put this portion on another workbench where it'll be more really usable, and then on top of the base here I'm going to build a miter saw station that will eventually have fold down wings and really a high quality station that I can easily wheel around my garage and use my miter saw when I need to. So I haven't drawn up full SketchUp plans or anything like that, but I have a good idea how we're going to put this together. And my son Nick, you'll probably see him in the video some, and we're going to get to it. Okay, so last night Nick and I finished building the base for the miter saw. I've got the miter saw in here now, and I'm going to drill through the mounting holes, put some T-nuts underneath, and bolt it down to the plywood. And then I'm going to attach the cabinet to the base, or this base to the tool cabinet bottom. So, let's get busy. So it's mounted on there nice and tight, and now I'm going to figure out how to mount it to the base. So that really completes the first part of my miter saw build. Now I can easily roll this thing around. It's at a much better height than the original stand, and it's going to come in really useful. So the next part two of this video will be building fold down wings that will go on here so that you can support much longer material. So stay tuned for that video. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video and this build, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me when you do that. So until next time, keep on building.